Hello students, we are going to see paper number 302, that is organic chemistry paper 2 in your syllabus. Okay, today we are going to start with the unit number 2. Unit number 2 deals with alcohols and phenols. A part is alcohols and B part is phenols. Okay, the weightage given to both the parts is 7.5 marks. Okay, so what are the contents of the part A? The contents of the part A are classification, that is classification of alcohols. Second, nomenclature. Methods of preparation or the methods of formation we can call. Then the chemical reactions involved in that particular alcohol, chemical reactions. And if we are dealing with dihydric alcohol, then we are supposed to go in pinacoline rearrangement reaction. We are supposed to study this. Then the physical properties and the uses of the alcohols. Okay. The classification of the alcohols, it is divided into two parts: dihydric alcohols and trihydric alcohols. Mainly we are going to deal with dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol in this part A. And the monohydric alcohol, this part is not included in your syllabus. Okay, so the monohydric and dihydric itself, this is the classification of the alcohols. Alcohols are classified into the alcohols. So first of all, what do you mean by the alcohols? The alcohols are the hydroxyl compounds. Okay, hydroxyl, which are obtained from the alkanes by removing the hydrogen atoms from these alkanes. Suppose we are taking the example of CH4. It is an alkane. Which alkane? It is a methane. CH4. H, H, H and H. What we are saying? The alcohols are the compounds which are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms from the alkanes. If I am going to replace this hydrogen atom by OH, what I am going to get? CH3OH, that is methyl alcohol. Is it clear? Okay. So what is the definition of an alcohol? What are the alcohols? Alcohols are the compounds which are obtained by replacing the hydrogen atoms with hydroxyl groups. Okay, this is the definition of the alcohol. Okay, now we will go for the classification of the alcohols. Classification of the alcohols. The alcohols are classified into mainly 4 types: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, third one is trihydric alcohol, the last one is polyhydric alcohol. Okay, monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric and polyhydric alcohol. So on what basis these alcohols are classified into these types? Okay. So let's see. These are the alcohols in which only one hydroxyl group is present. They are called as monohydric alcohol. We will see the examples. CH3OH, C2H5OH, C3H7OH, that is N-propyl alcohol. They are also called as simple alcohols. These are the examples of monohydric alcohols. Now we'll go for dihydric alcohols. The name itself is giving you an idea about di. That is, there are two hydroxyl groups present in that alcohol. For example, CH2OH, CH2OH. These dihydric alcohols are also called as diols or glycols. Okay, this is an example of ethylene glycol. Okay, then the third one is trihydric alcohol. Means there are 3 hydroxyl groups present in an alcohol. For example, CH2, CH, CH2, where the hydroxyl group is attached to each carbon atom. They are also called as triols or glycerols. This is an example of glycerine. Okay. The last one is polyhydric alcohol. Means more than, if there is more than 3 hydroxyl groups. If there are more than 3 hydroxyl groups are present in that particular alcohol, then that will be an example of polyhydric alcohol. I am going to give the example of this. 1 hydroxy, 2, 3 hydroxy, 4, 5 and 6. This is an example of polyhydric alcohol, sorbitol. Okay.